Okay, good morning children. This we have to learn about the electronic configuration. This is the important class for 9th class students. Everyone has to take care and first you have to draw this diagram. This is called as Moeller diagram. After that I have explained this electronic configuration. You have to do it. I have explained for only 10 or 15. You have to do it for next 30, next 15 atomic numbers. Okay, this is called as Moeller diagram. This is called as Moeller diagram. Here it is 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 5s, 5p, 5d, 6x, 6p, and then 7x. I have to know what is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration means the electrons filled in the atomic orbitals is called as electronic configuration. Atomic orbitals, no electrons. I have right here sp, df are all our orbitals. You have to know that s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital, they are explained by Sommerfeld. Okay, so how many the filling of electrons in this atomic orbitals is called as electronic configuration. ఈ అటామిక్ ఆర్బిటాల్స్ లో ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఏ విధంగా ఫిల్ అయ్యాయని చెప్పడమే ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్. ఓకే, ఐ హావ్ గివెన్ ద ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ అబౌట్ ద ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ నోట్స్ అబౌట్ ద ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్. హియర్ ఐ హావ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ యూ in s orbital they have only filled 2 electrons, and in p orbital they have to fill 6 electrons, in d orbital they have to fill 10 electrons, in f orbital they have to fill 14 electrons. Understand or not? In s orbital there is a space for only 2 persons or 2 electrons. In p orbital there is a place for 6 electrons. In d orbital there is a space for 10 electrons. In f orbital there is a space for 14 electrons. Okay. First one, I have given some element names, symbols, atomic numbers, and electronic. I have to write the electronic configuration also. First one is hydrogen. Hydrogen symbol is H. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So first atomic orbital is lowest atomic orbital is 1s here. Also electrons are enter into this orbital. First 1s orbital is there. So electrons enter into this 1s orbital. So in s orbital we have already know that s orbital how many electrons are filled in s orbital. S orbital ఎన్ని ఫిల్ అవుతాయి మనకి 2 electrons ఫిల్ అవుతాయి. సో 1s లో కూడా మనకు 1s అంటే ఒక రూమ్ అనుకుందాం. ఈ రూమ్ లో ఇద్దరికి ప్లేస్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ హైడ్రోజన్ అటామిక్ నెంబర్ 1 కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఒక్కలే వచ్చారు. ఆ రూమ్ లో మనం ఆ ఒక్కళ్ళని మాత్రమే మనం పెట్టాలి. సో 1s ఆర్బిటల్ ఫస్ట్ అన్నిటికన్నా తక్కువ ఎనర్జీ ఉన్న రూమ్ ఫస్ట్ ఫిల్ అవుతుంది. మనకి ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఆఫ్బో ప్రిన్సిపల్, హున్స్ రూల్ అండ్ పాలిసబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఇవన్నీ వాటి ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ద్వారా ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ అని తర్వాత చెప్తాను. హ్యావ్ టు నో దిస్ హియర్. సో ఫస్ట్ హైడ్రోజన్ అటామిక్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ 1. సో ఫస్ట్ లోయెస్ట్ అటామిc orbital is 1s. So I had to fill this electron in this orbital. In 1s orbital there are space for 2 electrons, but we have only 1 electron, so we had to fill this electron in that orbital. So our electronic configuration is 1s1. I have to write the filling electron on the top of the orbital. Okay, here I had to write 1. So the electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1. Next one, helium. Second one is helium. The symbol of helium is He. Atomic number of helium is 2. So I have to first lowest orbital is 1s. There is a space for only how many electrons are filled in the 1s orbital. There are 2 electrons. There is space for 2 electrons. So I have to fill it as 1s2. Next one, lithium. Lithium atomic number is 3. So what is the first room here? 1s. So I have to write 1s here. There are 2 electrons are filled in 1s. So 1s room is over, and next room is 2s. I have to observe these lines. These electron filling is according to these lines. First is 1s is filled. After 1s there 2s is filled. After that 2p is filled. After filling of 2p 3s is filled. Next after 3p there is a fourth line 3p is filled, and after that 4s is filled, and so on. So our lithium atomic number is 3. So first lowest orbital is 1s. So I have to fill 2. How many electrons are filled in s orbital? Only 2 electrons. So we have 3 electrons. We have 3 persons are there. First room has only place for 2 persons. So we have to fill 2 persons in the first room. And after the second room is 2s. So how many electrons are left? Only 1 electron is left. So I have to fill that electron in 2s. Next one, beryllium. Beryllium atomic number is 4. So first room is 1s. I have to fill 2 electrons in 1s. And next orbital is 2x. I have to fill 2 electrons in this 2s orbital. So 2 plus 2, 4. All the 4 electrons are filled in 1s2 and 2s2. Next one, boron. Boron atomic number is 5. And so there are 5 electrons are there. How many? The atomic number is 5. So 5 electrons are there. So they had to fill first orbital is 1x. So have to. How many electrons are filled in 1s? 2 electrons. So 2 electrons are filled in 1s. And after that 2s orbital. There are this is also s orbital. So I have to fill 2 electrons. There are 4 electrons are filled in 1s2 and 2s2. Next 1 electron is left. Next, what is the next orbital here? That is after. Next one is 2p. How many electrons are filled in the space for a p orbital? There are 6 electrons is there are 6 electron space for p orbital. So here only 1 electron is left. So I have to write 2p1 here. We have only filled 1 electron in 2p orbital. So I have to fill this. You have to fill. Okay, next one is carbon. Carbon atomic number is 6. Next is nitrogen. Nitrogen atomic number 7. Oxygen is 8. Fluorine is 9. Neon is 10. And sodium is 11. Magnesium is 12. Aluminum is 13. Silicon is 14. Phosphorus is 15. I have left some of the elements for you to fill the electron configuration. I had to fill some of. Example, I have filled neon. What neon? How many neon atomic number is 10. How many atomic number is 10? There are only 10 electrons. So first room is 1s. So I have to fill 2 electrons in 1s. Next room is 2x. So I have to fill 2 electrons in 2s. So here 4 electrons are completed. How many electrons are left? There are 6 electrons are left. So next room is 2p. You have to fill how many electrons how much space for p electron? There are 6. There is space of 6 electrons for p orbital. So I have to fill 6 electrons in p orbital. Then count the electrons. 2 plus 2 plus 6. There are 10. So neon electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. We have to read it as 1s2. Electron configuration of neon is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6. Next one is sodium. This atomic number is 11. So I have to first room is 1s. So I have to fill 2 electrons in first room. And second room is 2x. We have to fill 2 electrons in second room. And next one is 2p. I have to fill 6 electrons in 2p room. There are 10 electrons are completed. 1 electron is left. Next room is 3x. So I have to write 3s. And how many electrons are left? Only 1 electron. So I have to write 1. Yes. Because in s orbital there is space for 2 electrons. Here only 1 electron is left. So I have to fill that electron in the 3s orbital. So I have left all these spaces for you. I have to fill the electron configuration. Okay.